Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to make my own custom S. So, guys, do not any further talking. Let's start. Sorry. First, I draw ellipse tool, shift, alt, and right click. Is this and hold it with mouse. Is this like this? And alt plus right click to copy another circle. Okay. Sorry, another circle, and don't mistake it if you copy with alt. First you leave mouse and then alt to copy object another circle. Sorry. Okay, so first I sorry i I draw rectangle tool. Is this is this like okay, and alt and right click this. Okay, and shift and control sorry, and shift and right click to select both objects, and this minus friend. Okay, then you look, and again shift and right click and minus friend, so it's easy to cut. Okay, and rotate it with shift and right click to straight circle. Is this? Yes, and again rotate it with shift and right click. Is this? So basically it's very simple and easy, not taking time. And sorry, again rotate with shift and right click this. Yes. Okay, this, right, and arrow with it this, right. So if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and like, share, and share, like, comment, and share my video. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.